Hi, this is Sage,
the Balloon Sage, and today I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful butterfly balloon wand. First, I'll teach you the deluxe version, featuring marker art, a fun little ribbon proboscis for drinking up all that flowery nectar, and 3 pairs of pinch twists that add to the aesthetic and structural stability of the design. After that, I'll quickly demonstrate the 0 pinch twist version that's way faster and easier, yet still looks fantastic. So, let's begin.
Stretch out a pair of size 260 twisting balloons and inflate them equally. Give them a quick inflated stretch, leaving an 8-finger tail. Link the balloons and then tie the nozzles together. You only need your hands for any measurement, as you create a 2-finger bubble. Now pinch and twist to create a pinch twist. Repeat these steps with your second balloon. And then position the pinch twists as shown. Now it's time to create a beautiful spiral. Simply put pressure on the balloons as you wrap them around each other. You're going to want to make a nice strong twist at the top of the spiral, leaving you with 2 equally sized, long-tailed cylinders. Form another 2-finger bubble. Pinch and twist. And repeat these same steps with your second balloon. Make sure these pinch twists are juxtaposed horizontally, as they alone support the butterfly at the top. Next, measure out an 8-finger cylinder. Followed by a 2-finger bubble, and yes, it's another pinch twist. Finally, copy what you did on the other side. And that's the wand. The butterfly. Stretch out your butterfly-colored 260 and inflate it almost all the way, leaving a short tail at the end. Hand over hand, you're going to measure off a 44-finger cylinder, which then becomes a big loop as you secure the nozzle thoroughly. Measure off an 8-finger cylinder. And then parallel measure a second one. Securing all your twists at the center of the butterfly. Squash those cylinders down and spin at the butterfly center to create 2 petal twists. Next, let's deflate the excess balloon. Then tie the scrap thoroughly into the core. Finally, fold that big loop in half. Pinch the top. Squash it into the small petal twist bifurcation. And, once again, spin at the center. Mwah! Perfect!
Brothers, sisters, Mandela. Brothers, sisters, Mandela. My friend, could we stand together? Look at us, we can stay forever. Show me sister, show me brother. And we stand strong for one another. Come on, come on, come on, come on, yeah! Come on, come on. We put the leaders of another lands. You don't save petrol from a can. You put the petrol in the high stage. Don't be rama-rama, it's messing with your brain. You say you're deadly, do you understand? You don't save petrol from a can. You put the petrol in the car it goes. Don't be rama-rama, sniffing up your nose. Don't be rama, 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 don't be rama. Love your friends, protect your family. They are with you when you are lonely. Don't bandila, don't bandila. When you stop, your brains will be clear. Come on, come on, come on, come on, yeah! Come on, come on. We got the leaders of another lands. You don't save petrol from a can. You put the petrol in the high stage. Don't be rama-rama, it's messing with your brain. You say you're deadly, do you understand? You don't save petrol from a can. You put the petrol in the car it goes. Don't be rama-rama, sniffing up your nose. Yeah, yeah, I tell you, 'cause I care, yeah, I tell you.
When I was walking in the street, see the boys and girls are sniffing too much petrol, killing your brains, killing your brains.
We got the leaders of another lands. You don't save petrol from a can. You put the petrol in the high stage. Don't be rama-rama, it's messing with your brain. You say you're deadly, do you understand? You don't save petrol from a can. You put the petrol in the car it goes. Don't be rama-rama, sniffing up your nose.